Hi, this is Stacy.
And this is Scott, and today on the Unhamburger,
We're making portobello and pea risotto.
with some sliced baby bella mushrooms and frozen green peas and arborio, otherwise known as
Risotto, right?
risotto.
Yeah.
More fun comfort food.
Oh, yeah.
Let's do it. The Unhamburger.
So, here we go. Sliced baby bella mushrooms.
They're
Organic.
already pre-washed and just ready to
yeah.
go, right?
Yes. Oh, I have such a good organic frozen peas.
Yep. Frozen peas often can be just as good as...
No, they're the best, I think. Or fresh. You can use fresh. And some arborio rice, some vegetable vegetable bouillon for the broth.
Because you always use vegetable bouillon for the broth.
Right. Okay, and here's some prep on the salad. Side salad.
This is a side salad you'll see us use often because it's just fun, easy, good, and you can just add in some onions here, don't add onions there, change up your dressing a little, whatever it may be.
Yeah, these tomatoes are really fantastic too. I think they're like Marzanelli or something like that. We'll have to put up on the screen exactly what kind they are. They're really, really good. So just some salt, some olive oil, and you just let that meld together. And for this side salad, we are throwing in a little bit of Vidalia onion.
All right, and to the stove we go.
Yes, we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, and we're just gonna warm it up, and we are going to saute and brown our mushrooms. And we're gonna sweat them out a little bit because mushrooms have they're high moisture vegetable. So here we go with that. And we already prepared our vegetable broth by adding vegetable bouillon and water together. And we are going to be following the directions on the risotto this time.
As opposed to sometimes we'll just kind of let it long cook, adding a little bit of water at a time and really...
Right, yeah, and it gets really creamy. I think it gets a little bit creamier than it did this time, but it was still fantastic. And for ease, I think it's worth it. Just go ahead and do it this way.
Yeah, just pour all your ingredients in, bring it to a little boil with your peas and your vegetable bouillon, and cover it up and let it simmer and cook away.
Yeah, mix that all together with the olive oil, all of your ingredients, before you put in the vegetable broth. Just saying that. You want to get it all wet with the olive oil and everything.
Good.
Now we have our side salad with just some olive oil, the onions, the tomatoes. We're throwing in the arugula, and we're going to add a little bit of balsamic, or actually I think it's just red vinegar. It could be balsamic vinegar or whatever you like. Salt and pepper.
And you have a wonderful side salad to go with your now ready mushroom pea risotto.
25 minutes?
Yeah. And it's super comfort food again. And nice
We're all
addition.
about the comfort food, aren't we?
Yeah.
Sorry. Oh yeah, this is really good. Pretty, tastes great.
Plate it up.
Yeah.
Good to go.
Yeah.
Subscribe to our channel and ring the bell for notifications on weekly uploads.
And leave your thoughts in the comments below.